Okay, last lecture that symmetry elements or symmetry operation. This article is started. Definition of symmetry operation or symmetry element. Then there are three types of symmetry elements: axis of symmetry, planes of symmetry, and center of symmetry. Out of that, the axis of symmetry is started. In that axis of symmetry means definition of axis of symmetry. There are three types of axis of symmetries: tetrad axis, dyad axis, and last one is the which one?
Right.
Triad axis. Okay, first, what is definition of symmetry elements? We'll revise and then we'll start new article. Now, what is definition of symmetry elements? Anyone?
A symmetry operation is one that takes the crystal into a configuration identical to initial configuration.
Okay. Then, what is definition of axis of symmetry? Roll number 11. Kadam.
Yes, sir.
Axis of symmetry. Definition of axis of symmetry.
An axis of symmetry is a line about which the crystal may be rotated such that after a definite angular rotation about this axis, the crystal comes into a congruent position.
Okay, there are three types of axis of symmetry. First one is the tetrad axis, second one is the dyad axis, and third one is the triad axis. Then what is tetrad axis? 3 points in tetrad axis. Roll number 35. Akshata. Sorry, Akansha, na?
Yes, sir.
Tetrad axis. Read the 3 points about tetrad axis.
A cube is rotated about vertical axis passing through the centers of two opposite parallel faces. It is seen that in one complete rotation of 360 degrees, there are found to be four positions of the cube which are identical with its original position. It is called tetrad axis of symmetry.
Second point.
In each rotation of 90 degrees brings the cube into its self-coincidence position. Third, number of tetrad axes are
किती येते एकूण? Number of tetrad axes are 3. Okay.
3.
Okay. Then second is dyad axis. Roll number 37. 37.
A cube is rotated about vertical axis passing through the center of two opposite parallel edges. It is seen that in one complete rotation of 360 degrees, there are found to be two positions of the cube which are identical with its original position. It is called a dyad axis of symmetry. Second, in each rotation of 180 degrees brings the cube into its self-coincidence position. Third, number of dyad axes are 6.
Okay, then roll number 18. 1-8. Rohan. Triad axis. Chavan Rohan. Dange Vishal. 19.
Yes, sir.
What is triad axis?
A cube is rotated about its body diagonal. It is seen that in one complete rotation of 360 degrees, there are found to be three positions of the cube which are identical with its original position. It is called the triad axis of symmetry. In each rotation of 120 degrees, brings the cube into its self-coincidence position. Number of tetrad axes are 4.
Not tetrad. इथे कुठला आहे?
Triad axis.
Number of dyad axes are 4. Okay, we'll correct it. Then this figure is over for triad axis. झाली का figure?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then explanation is written.
Yes, sir.
Then, okay, then write first definition of triad axis. The cube is rotated. Cube is rotated about its body diagonal. Cube is rotated about its body diagonal. Body diagonal. It is seen that in one complete rotation of 180 360 degree, in one complete rotation of 360 degree, there are found to be how many positions? There are found to be
3.
okay,
Three positions.
okay, 3 positions of the cube. 3 positions of the cube which are identical with its original position. 3 positions of the cube which are identical with its original position. It is called triad axis of symmetry. It is called triad axis of symmetry. Second point, in each rotation of how many degree?
120.
Okay, 360 by 3 is equal to 120. In each rotation of 120 degree, or 360 by 3 is equal to 120, brings the cube into its self coincidence position. Brings the cube into its self coincidence position. Bring the cube into its self coincidence position. And last, number of triad axes is equal to, how many axes are there?
4.
4. किती कॉर्नर आहेत कोण सांगताय? हो 4. Total number of corners are
8 corners.
8 corners. Means it is passing along body diagonal. Means 4 body diagonals are there. Therefore, number of triad axis is equal to 4. The number of triad axis is equal to 4. So then, second, write it planes of symmetry. This axis of symmetry is completed now. Second, write it planes of symmetry. Planes of symmetry. Now listen this. Plane of symmetry means it is a plane. कसलं plane आहे? It is a mirror plane. त्याला कसलं plane म्हणतो आपण? Mirror plane. का mirror plane म्हणतोय? Because if crystal cut along this plane, we are getting two equal halves or two identical halves. If crystal cut along this plane, along this mirror plane, then we are getting two equal halves or two identical halves. Identical का म्हणायचं तर एक हाफ आपण mirror वर ठेवला, then image reproduces the other half of that crystal. Okay, image, if this one half of this crystal cut along this plane and one half is kept on the mirror, then image reproduces the other half of that crystal. That's why it is called as mirror plane. How many such mirror planes are there for this cubic crystal? एकूण किती आहेत? एक झालं. Second plane. This second one.
3.
Okay, if crystal cut along this plane, then also we are getting two equal halves, not two identical halves. This is third one. If cubic crystal cut along this plane, then we are getting two equal halves, not two identical halves. First, write definition of plane of symmetry. नंतर figure काढू आपण. It is actually a mirror plane. It is actually a mirror plane. Full stop. When an imaginary plane can divide, when an imaginary plane can divide, imaginary plane can divide the crystal, into two equal parts, into two equal parts, such that each part is the exact mirror image. Each part is the exact mirror image of the other. Exact mirror image of the other. then the crystal is said to have a plane of symmetry. Then the crystal is said to have a plane of symmetry. Now who will read it? Anyone? Read the definition of planes of symmetry. पटकन वेळ घालवायचा नाही एवढं.
Plane of symmetry. It is actually mirror plane. When an imaginary plane can divide the crystal into two equal parts such that each part is exact mirror image of the other, then the crystal is said to have a plane of symmetry.
Okay, how many such planes are there? Total 9 planes are there. Out of that 9, 3 planes parallel to the faces and 6 diagonal planes are there. Write one sentence. There are 3 such planes of symmetry. There are 3 such planes of symmetry parallel to the faces of the cube. There are 3 such planes of symmetry parallel to the faces of the cube. Parallel to the faces of the cube, and 6 diagonal planes. हे 6 diagonals आहेत बघा. Okay, 6 diagonal planes of symmetry. हे तीन प्लेन कसे आहेत? पॅरलल टू द फेसेस, आणि 6 कसे आहेत? डायगोनल प्लेन्स आहेत. ते 6 diagonal planes of symmetry. Full stop. काय म्हणायची गरज नाही. Therefore, total number of next line, total number of planes of symmetry in cubic crystal is equal to 9. Make underline for MCQ. Total number of planes of symmetry in cubic crystal is equal to 9. Okay, draw these 3 figures first. 3 planes, they are parallel to the faces, and then second we'll draw for 9 figures. First draw these 3, 1, 2, 3. Complete it. I will give 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, out of the 6, draw 3 here and 3 at home. Draw this diagonal plane. Another, see here, this plane is perpendicular to this plane. Second, this is second plane, second diagonal plane. Draw this one also. And see, this another plane is perpendicular to this one. Draw it at home. It is perpendicular to this plane. So this plane is perpendicular to this one. And last, you see this one is there. And so this plane is perpendicular to this plane. These are the total 6 diagonal planes and 3 planes parallel to the faces like this. Total 9 planes of symmetries are there for the cubic crystal. Okay, out of these 6, 3 are over. 1, 2, 3. Draw these first 3, and remaining 3 complete it at home. Okay, first complete these first 3. Okay, we'll take now next point is center of symmetry. Okay, center of line. First, axis of symmetry means it is a line. Plane of symmetry means it is a plane, and center of symmetry means it is a point is there. Okay, see, it is a point. See, this is the center of symmetry. I means it is the center of symmetry. Okay, if what is the definition of the center of symmetry? It is a point in a crystal such that इफ लाईन स्टार्ट फ्रॉम एनी पॉइंट ऑन द क्रिस्टल, आपण ए पासून लाईन स्टार्ट केली. ओके, लाईन स्टार्ट फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट ए. कुठून पास करतोय आपण ते लाईन? पासिंग थ्रू दी center of symmetry. I is the center of symmetry. If line starts from point A कसला point आहे हो? It is a, which point is there?
Center of
Corner point आहे. हा point A हा corner point आहे. And I is the center of symmetry. I काय आहे? Center of symmetry. This point I is the center of symmetry. Body centered point is the center of symmetry. Line starts from point A. कुठून line start करतो आपण? Point A पासून. Passing through the center of symmetry. Center of symmetry म्हणजे point I मधून पास केली. And produce equal distance. Produce same distance on the opposite side. Opposite side ला तेवढंच distance घेतला आपण. Then this line meets at identical point. म्हणजे A आणि B कसले points आहेत? This point A and point B. These two points are corner points. These are the आयडेंटिकल पॉइंट्स. लक्षात येते आपण काय करतो? एक मिनिट. आय म्हणजे काय आहे? सेंटर ऑफ सिमेट्री. सेंटर ऑफ सिमेट्री म्हणजे काय असते? हा पॉइंट असतो. आपण ऍक्सिस ऑफ सिमेट्री म्हणजे काय बघितलं? ते काय होती? लाईन होती. बरोबर आहे. प्लेन म्हणजे काय होतं? प्लेन ऑफ सिमेट्री म्हणजे काय होतं? इट इज अ प्लेन. प्लेन होता. आणि हे सेंटर ऑफ सिमेट्री म्हणजे काय येते हो? इट इज अ
point.
पॉइंट आहे. असा पॉइंट आहे. कुठला पॉइंट आहे हा? This point I is called as center of symmetry. Point I ला आपण क्युबिक क्रिस्टलचे सेंटर ऑफ सिमेट्री म्हणतो. का म्हणतो? तर त्याची डेफिनेशन काय आहे? लाईन स्टार्ट फ्रॉम एनी पॉइंट ऑन द क्रिस्टल. एनी पॉइंट म्हणजे आपण पॉइंट ए पासून लाईन स्टार्ट केली. लाईन स्टार्ट फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट ए, पासिंग थ्रू दी कशामधून पास केली ती लाईन? इट पास थ्रू आय किंवा सेंटर ऑफ सिमेट्री अँड प्रोड्यूस इक्वल डिस्टन्स ऑन द ऑपोजिट साइड. It meets at point B, and this point A and point B, these two points are identical point. A आणि B कसले points आहेत? A and B corner point. Okay, corner points किंवा these two points are identical points म्हटलं आपण. It is a identical point. Point A and point B, these two points are identical points. Okay, then another example. Another example, just check it, point P. Okay, line starts from this point P. P कसला point आहे हो? ह्या फेसचा सेंटर आहे. ओके, P point P is a face centered point. Q पण कसला पॉइंट आहे हो?
Face
Center.
दोन्ही फेस सेंटरचे पॉइंट्स आहेत. आपण लाईन कुठून स्टार्ट करतोय? पॉइंट P पासून स्टार्ट केली. लाईन स्टार्ट फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट P. कशामधून पास केली ती लाईन? आय मधून म्हणजे सेंटर ऑफ सिमेट्री मधून पास केली. प्रोड्यूस इक्वल डिस्टन्स. प्रोड्यूस सेम डिस्टन्स ऑन द अपोजिट साइड. इट मीट्स at which point? Q. And this P and Q, these two points are कसले points आहेत? P and Q.
Surface.
Identical points. दोन्ही फेस सेंटर्ड आहेत म्हणजे कसले आहेत ते? Identical points. म्हणजे what is definition? Center of symmetry, it is a point. If line starts from any point on the crystal, any म्हणजे A घेतला किंवा P घेतला, कुठलाही पॉइंट घेतला आपण. Line starts from any point on the crystal, passing through the center of symmetry, produce equal distance on the opposite side, it meets with its identical point. Okay, two examples are taken here. Line starts from point A, passing through the center of symmetry, produce equal distance on the opposite side, it meets at point B. This point A and point B, these two points are identical point. Another example is taken. Line starts from this point P, passing through the center of symmetry, produce equal distance on the opposite side. It meets at point Q, and this point P and point Q, these two points are identical point. Another example, take this edge centered point. त्याला काय म्हणतात? की M म्हणा. आणि अनादर एज सेंटर्ड म्हणजे हा आला. हा काय आला? पॉइंट N. ओके, लाईन स्टार्ट फ्रॉम दी पॉइंट. कुठल्या पॉइंट पासून स्टार्ट करायची? लाईन स्टार्ट फ्रॉम पॉइंट M मधून. आता एच झालंय की आता एक्झाम्पल. लाईन स्टार्ट फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट M पासून स्टार्ट केली आपण. कुठून पास केली आहे? पासिंग थ्रू दी सेंटर ऑफ I, produce same distance on the opposite side. ते कुठे भेटणार आहे? पॉइंट N ला. And this M and N, these two points are also
Identical points.
Identical points. Okay, then write definition. Center of symmetry. Center of symmetry. It is a point. Center of symmetry. It is a point in a crystal. It is a point in a crystal if a line is drawn from any point on the crystal, passing through this point means center of symmetry. Line is drawn from any point on the crystal passing through this point. This in bracket write it I, center of symmetry, passing through this point. Bracket write it I, center of symmetry, passing through the I, center of symmetry, and produced an equal distance on the other side of this center, it meets an identical point. Once again, if line is drawn from any point on the crystal passing through this point in bracket I, center of symmetry, and produced an equal distance on the other side of this center, it meets an identical point. To stop, this point of symmetry is known as center of symmetry. This point of symmetry is known as center of symmetry. Okay, then draw this figure. Show cubic crystal. So I is the center of symmetry. How many such points are there? How many such center of symmetries are there? Actually, किती आहेत center of symmetry for this cubic crystal? Huh? Only one. It is only one. Means I is the only one center of symmetry. Means number of center of symmetries, number of such points like I, only one point is there. Okay, means number of center of symmetry for the cubic crystal is equal to 1. Okay, number of center of symmetry for the cubic crystal is equal to 1. Complete this figure. Take 1 or 2 minutes and complete it. Okay, it is a point of symmetry. Number of point of symmetries for the cubic crystal is equal to 1. Then a summary of these symmetry elements or symmetry operations. First, axis of symmetry. How many tetrad axes are there? Number of tetrad axes. Anyone? Number of tetrad axes for the cubic crystal?
3.
3. Number of diad axes?
6.
6. Number of triad axes?
4.
4. Okay, these 3 MCQs are there. Plus total number of axes of symmetries?
30.
13. Then for tetrad axis, in each rotation of how many degree? Tetrad axis, second MCQ. In each rotation of 90 degree. In diad axis, in each rotation of how many degree?
180.
180 degree. In each for triad axis, in each rotation of
120.
120 degree. Okay. These 3 plus 3, 6 plus 1, 7 MCQs. Then planes of symmetry. How many planes of symmetries are there?
9.
9 planes of there. 9. Okay. So this is 7 MCQs plus 1. 7 plus 1, 8. Then center of symmetry.
1.
1. Okay, this is one more MCQ. Then total number of symmetry elements 13 plus 9 plus 1. How many symmetry elements are there for cubic crystal total?
23.
23. 23. This is one more MCQs. किती MCQs झाले इथं? 7 plus 1 plus 8 9 10. 10 MCQ 10 एकूण total. Okay, total number of multiple choice questions is equal to 10. The total number of symmetry operations or symmetry elements for the cubic crystal is equal to 23. Then total number of planes of symmetries for the cubic crystal is equal to 9. Total number of center of symmetry for the cubic crystal is equal to 1. And tetrad axis, diad axis, triad axis, tetrad 3, diad 6, triad 4. In each rotation of 90 degree, here in tetrad axis 90 degree. For diad axis, angle of rotation is equal to 180 degree, and for triad axis, angle of rotation is equal to 120 degree. Okay, this is the symmetry elements or revision on symmetry elements or symmetry operations. Then next article, write it. Next one, Miller indices. Miller indices. Miller indices. Right title, Miller indices. Title, write it. This is second last article. Before that, I will give the assignment questions. Everyone, please write the assignment questions, and then I will start next article, that is question number 1 is the MCQs, multiple choice questions. Everyone, please write the multiple choice questions afterwards, after discussion. Okay, first question number 1 is multiple choice questions. Then question 2. Question number 2, write it. Calculate number of atoms per unit cell. Calculate number of atoms per unit cell for calculate number of atoms per unit cell for SC, BCC and FCC crystals. Calculate number of atoms per unit cell for SC, BCC and FCC crystals. Okay, then question number 3. What is atomic radius? लिहिता है ना प्रत्येक जण, yes no काहीतरी.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is atomic radius? What is atomic radius? Find the relation between lattice constant and atomic radius. Find the relation between lattice constant and atomic radius for SC, BCC and FCC crystals. Find the relation between lattice constant and atomic radius for SC, BCC and FCC crystals. Next, question number 4. Define APF. APF म्हणजे काय? What is APF?
Atomic packing factor.
Okay, define APF and calculate packing factor for, or atomic packing factor for. Define atomic packing factor and calculate atomic packing factor for SC, BCC and FCC crystals. SC, BCC and FCC crystals. SC, BCC and FCC crystals. The next question number, question number
5.
5. Okay, define wide space. Define wide space and calculate wide space for SC, BCC and FCC. Define wide space and calculate wide space for SC, BCC and FCC. Then last question, define coordination number. Question number 6, define coordination number. Obtain coordination number for SC, BCC and FCC. Obtain coordination number for SC, BCC and FCC. Next question, झालं का? Okay, the next question number
7.
7.
Write it. Define axis of symmetry. Define axis of symmetry. Define axis of symmetry. Explain it for cubic crystals. Explain it for cubic crystals. Define axis of symmetry. Explain it for cubic crystals. Next, explain it for cubic crystals. Define axis of symmetry and explain it for cubic crystals. म्हणजे आपल्याला तिन्ही axis of symmetry सांगावं लागतील. Tetrad axis, diad axis and last one is the triad axis. Okay. Then next is define plane of symmetry and center of symmetry. Question number 8. Define plane of symmetry and center of symmetry. Define plane of symmetry and center of symmetry and explain it for cubic crystals. Explain it for cubic crystals. Explain it for cubic crystals. Okay, last 3 questions are remaining. One is on Miller indices, second is derivation is there, and third one is Bragg law. Okay, remaining 3 questions I will give at the last. Then before that, we'll see what is Miller indices. What are the Miller indices? What is definition of Miller indices? Then what is the procedure for finding the Miller indices? Okay, first with the help of one example we'll see now. See, this is the ABC plane. हे कुठलं plane आहे? ABC. Okay, हा आहे x axis, हा आहे y axis आणि हा काय आहे? Z axis. Okay, we'll find out the Miller indices of this plane ABC. Miller indices म्हणजे काय? त्या plane चे एक नाव असते. Designation of this plane is called as Miller indices. It is represented by the 3 numbers. 3 नंबरच्या सहाय्याने आपण सांगतो. Okay. First find out what are the intercepts of this plane ABC on x axis मध्ये काय intercept आहे? कोण सांगताय? This origin. पहिल्यांदा इंटरसेप्ट सांगा ह्या प्लेनची, नंतर आपण फाइंड आउट मिलर इंडायसेस फाइंड आउट करू. 1 आणि 2. What are the intercepts of this plane on x axis, y axis and z axis? First intercept of this plane ABC on x axis किती आहे हो? या प्लेन ABC चे मिलर इंडायसेस फाइंड आउट करायचे आहेत आपल्याला. पहिली स्टेप बघतोय आपण. व्हॉट इज फर्स्ट स्टेप इज find out or determine the intercepts of this plane on the 3 coordinate axes. First, what is the intercept of this plane ABC on x axis? ABC चा काय? OA. OA is the what is OA?
Intercept.
कुठल्या ऍक्सिस वरचा इंटरसेप्ट आहे?
X axis.
Okay. Okay. OA is the intercept of this plane ABC on x axis and that OA is equal to किती आहे? OA is equal to OA is equal to 2. Then second is determine the intercept of this plane ABC on y-axis. Y-axis चा सांगा किती आहे? हा,
OB intercept.
OB is equal to किती आहे?
3.
किती आहे बघा इथं 1 हा 2 आणि intercept of this plane on y-axis is equal to OB is equal to 3. Intercept of this plane ABC on z-axis is equal to
OC.
OC and then OC is equal to किती असणार आहे?
2.
2. हे पहिल्या स्टेप मध्ये काय केलं आपण, काय करतोय, मिलर इंडायसेस डिटरमाइन करतोय ह्या प्लेनचे मिलर इंडायसेस फाइंड आउट करतोय. त्याच्यातली पहिली स्टेप्स काय आहे हो? व्हॉट इज स्टेप नंबर 1? डिटरमाइन दी
Intercepts.
इंटरसेप्ट. त्या प्लेनचे आपण इंटरसेप्ट काढले, एक्स ऍक्सिस, वाय ऍक्सिस आणि झेड ऍक्सिस. एक्स ऍक्सिसचा किती होता? OA. वाय ऍक्सिसचा किती आहे? OB इज इक्वल टू 3 आणि झेड ऍक्सिसचा किती आहे?
2.
OC is equal to 2.
2. सेकंड स्टेप आहे, टेक रेसिप्रोकल्स ऑफ दिस इंटरसेप्ट्स. व्हॉट इज सेकंड स्टेप?
Reciprocal.
रेसिप्रोकल्स. इंटरसेप्टचे रेसिप्रोकल्स घ्यायचे. पहिला रेसिप्रोकल OA इज इक्वल टू 2 म्हणजे काय आलं हे?
1/2.
1/2.
सेकंड काय आला त्याचा रेसिप्रोकल? सेकंडचा
1/3.
1/3. तिसरा काय आहे?
1/2.
Third step is determine what is the LCM of denominator. Find out the LCM of denominator. Determine the LCM of denominator. किती LCM? 2, 3 आणि 2 चा LCM किती येणार आहे? 2, 3 आणि 2 चा
6.
ओके. LCM is 6. Okay, multiplying each reciprocal by LCM. आणि प्रत्येक रेसिप्रोकलला आहे 1/2, 1/3 आणि 1/2 ला आपण LCM न मल्टिप्लाय करणार आहे. मल्टिप्लाय बाय LCM, मल्टिप्लाय बाय 6 काय येणार आहे? सांगा. 6/2. ओके. 6/2 म्हणजे किती आलं?
3.
3 आलं. सेकंड 6/3 2 आलं. आणि नंतर 6/2 म्हणजे किती आलं? 3 आलं. म्हणजे वी गेट 3, 2, 3 हे आपल्याला इंटिजर्स मिळाले. आफ्टर मल्टिप्लाइंग बाय LCM न आपण कशाला मल्टिप्लाय केलंय? रेसिप्रोकलला. वी आर गेटिंग दिस 3 नंबर्स 3, 2, 3 and these 3 numbers, they are written in the parentheses and these are called as Miller indices. Miller indices of the plane ABC are 3, 2, 3. हे काय झाले? प्लेन ABC चे काय झाले? मिलर इंडायसेस. म्हणजे दिस प्लेन ABC इज कॉल्ड ॲज 3, 2, 3 प्लेन. याला आपण दुसरं नाव काय देतोय आपण? 3, 2, 3 प्लेन, कारण त्याचे ते मिलर इंडायसेस आहेत. These 3, 2, 3, these are the Miller indices of this plane ABC. That's why this plane ABC is called as 3, 2, 3 plane. This is designation of this plane is 3, 2, 3 plane. याला ABC म्हणायच्या ऐवजी आपण काय म्हणणार ह्याला? या प्लेनला what is designation of this plane? 3, 2, 3. Okay. How Miller indices are determined? What is first step? कोण सांगताय? Step number 1.
Intercepts.
पहिली स्टेप काय आहे? कोण?
The intercept.
Determine. Okay. Determine the intercept. What is second step?
Determine the reciprocals.
Okay, determine or take reciprocals of these intercepts. And third step,
Find the LCM.
find the LCM of this denominator. Okay, and last step is find the LCM and multiplying each by LCM. And last step is
Intercepts in the form.
write these numbers in a parenthesis. We are getting the Miller indices. Okay, in detail we'll see for the next lecture once again. Now we'll conclude it here. Okay, this is one example is taken about the Miller indices. Next lecture we'll see what is definition of Miller indices, then rules for finding the Miller indices, and at the last we'll take one example. Okay, now we'll stop it here.
सर
हाँ,
MCQ किती राईट करायचे?
MCQ कमीत कमी 20 ते 25 करावं लागतील तुम्हाला. ठीक आहे. मिनिमम 25. हे शॉर्ट मध्ये लिहिले तर चालतील तुम्ही, फक्त क्वेश्चन आणि त्याचे आन्सर्स.